In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome history. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are in a regular Chrome window, and take a moment to look at the top right corner of the browser. You will see the three-dot menu icon. This menu is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and tools. Click the three-dot menu to open the drop-down list. From there, find and select History. When you choose History, Chrome will open the History area where your past browsing activity is stored. This is where Chrome tracks the pages you have visited, and it can also include items like recent tabs and browsing sessions, depending on your settings. In the History section, look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data and click it. This opens the panel where you can remove stored browsing information. When you clear browsing data, you are telling Chrome to remove records of your activity from this browser. This can help protect your privacy, especially on a computer that other people can access. Before you confirm anything, take a second to read what the Clear Browsing Data window is showing you. You may see choices related to what type of data will be removed, and sometimes you can also choose a time range. If you only want to remove very recent activity, you can typically select a shorter time range. If you want a full cleanup, you can typically choose an option that clears everything available. Go slowly and make sure you are comfortable with what will be removed, since clearing certain data may sign you out of some websites. Once you are ready, complete the clear action from that same window. Chrome will process your request, and after it finishes, your browsing history for the selected range will be deleted. And that covers everything you need to know.